in Chicago. We have about 215 employees worldwide in about 11 or 12 different countries, which is kind of cool. Our business model is we're kind of a cross between insurance and warranty programs for business jets. So think kind of like a health insurance for business aircraft. You may have heard of aircraft like Gulfstreams or Learjets, things like that. Our customers pay us a certain dollar amount per hour that they fly their aircraft. We manage their funds in a large trust, and then when they need maintenance on the aircraft, we'll pay for some or all of it, depending upon what program that they have with us. It's really much more of a financial and data tool more than anything, because then we can do things like we can predict out what maintenance needs will occur. We can predict out do we think that an engine will fail. We predict out what sorts of parts we might need, and we've added some additional value-added services over the course of the past couple of years, like a growing aviation parts business. We do also some things like advisory services, where we will provide certain services like valuing an aircraft during an inspection. We will be able to do appraisals and things like that. And now you think, aviation, are we all nerdy? Nah, not really. People are passionate about aviation. It's something that touches every area of our world. And but what we look for people is we look for people who have a true passion for aviation, for what they do, and for each other. You've heard the expression that we want the people who play nice in the sandbox. That is the type of people that we want. We want people who want to get out there and build relationships with their coworkers, because we believe strongly that if they care about the people that they are working with, they're going to be more engaged. They're going to be they're going to try to find creative solutions to problems if they exist, and more importantly, they're going to be invested in bringing in additional people who also share that same sort of camaraderie. We've been working with Dave for a number of years now on our employee surveys, and one of the things that we try to take from that each year is, good or bad, tell us the feedback. I was talking with a few folks that are here a little bit earlier about, even our CEO takes a role in this, where he'll meet with employees and ask for that feedback, so that whether it's something that's harder to hear or not, if you don't get defensive on the feedback, then that feedback will continue moving forward. And so we have a strong community service component. We give our employees the ability to take a work day per year where they can go and volunteer in their own communities to be able to give back. We have what's called a culture club. That is an employee-run committee that they figure out what is it that our people want to do, and they do events around the office, and they are involved with different, not only social events, but also health and wellness events. So bringing in a chance to have a massage therapist come in for our employees from time to time, coming in and getting people involved with the Chase Corporate Challenge, something that, when I first started there, we hadn't been involved with, and now we're at a larger basis, so people can find ways, whatever their passion, to get involved. We have some teams during the summer that for like a softball team, a volleyball team. I think they're starting a dodgeball team. I caught wind about it. I'm just having horror stories in elementary school at that point. But kidding aside, we find ways to find, whether it's a guacamole contest for people that might be sharing a passion for cooking, whether it's finding an opportunity to have a job shadow day, so people that might be a little bit more disadvantaged, that don't have access to the downtown area, can come in and be able to learn more about our company, and have some role modeling. Coming from someone who was poor when I grew up, I never knew that an industry like this exists. I didn't know anyone in the aviation field. And so being able to bring in people from different socioeconomic groups, that's a hard word to say, bringing in people from different cultural backgrounds, bringing in people from different abilities that can come in and learn and see people who are that they can role model, that are role models for them, to realize that they can share in this wonderful industry as well.